Have you ever wondered how hummingbirds can hover in mid-air as if time stands still? These diminutive yet extraordinary avians possess a unique ability that sets them apart from the rest of the bird kingdom. They can flutter their wings at an astounding speed, generating the humming sound that gives them their name. Their wings move so rapidly that it appears as if they're suspended in mid-air, defying gravity. Beyond this fascinating spectacle, hummingbirds are also renowned for their incredible flight speed, rivaling even the fastest of sports cars. They zip through the air with an agility and precision that leaves us in awe, a testament to the wonders of evolution. But the marvels of hummingbirds don't stop there. They come in a spectrum of vibrant colors and sizes, each species with its unique characteristics and habitats. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of these intriguing creatures. Stay tuned as we take a journey to discover the various types of hummingbirds and their habitats. Hummingbirds are not a one-size-fits-all species. They are as diverse as they are captivating. Dive into the colorful world of hummingbirds, and you'll discover a wide array of species, each with their own unique characteristics. Let's highlight a few of these remarkable creatures. First, the ruby-throated hummingbird, a tiny bird with a big personality. This bird's most striking feature is its bright red throat, a dazzling display of color that sets it apart. The ruby-throated hummingbird is also known for its long migration, flying non-stop over the Gulf of Mexico twice a year. Next, meet Anna's hummingbird. Named after Anna Massena, Duchess of Rivoli, this bird is a showstopper. With iridescent emerald feathers and a rose-pink throat, Anna's hummingbird is a sight to behold. It's also known for its impressive courtship display, where the male swoops and dives in the air to catch a female's attention. Then there's the black-chinned hummingbird, a bird that's more than meets the eye. At first glance, it may look like an ordinary hummingbird, but catch it in the right light and its black chin shines with a stunning purple hue. This bird is a true desert dweller, often found in dry, scrubby landscapes. The rufous hummingbird is another species worth mentioning. This bird is easily recognized by its bright orange feathers, giving it a fiery appearance. The rufous is also known for its feisty nature, often chasing away larger birds from its territory. Lastly, we have the Costa's hummingbird, named after French nobleman Louis-Marie Pantaleon Costa. This bird's most striking feature is its vibrant purple cap and throat, which can sparkle in the sunlight. It's a bird that truly embodies the desert's beauty, often found in the arid regions of the American Southwest. These are just a few examples of the fascinating variety of hummingbirds that grace our planet. Now that we've met some of our feathered friends, where might you find these marvels of nature? Each species of hummingbird has its own preferred habitat, reflecting their unique characteristics and needs. Let's start our journey with the ruby-throated hummingbird. This little fellow is often found in the woodlands and gardens of the eastern United States. They have a particular fondness for deciduous and pine forests, especially those with a water source nearby. Their nests, often no larger than a walnut, are artfully concealed amidst the foliage, providing a safe haven for their young. Now let's take a leap to the arid desert regions of the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. Here the Costa's hummingbird has made a home amidst the cacti and desert shrubs. It's a stark contrast to the lush woodlands of their ruby-throated counterparts, yet these birds have adapted beautifully, sipping nectar from desert flowers and skillfully evading the harsh desert sun. But the adaptability of hummingbirds doesn't stop there. The Anna's hummingbird, for instance, resides along the western coast of North America, from the balmy shores of Southern California to the cooler climes of British Columbia. They've been known to survive in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, a testament to their resilience. And let's not forget about the high-altitude specialists, the giant hummingbirds of the Andean mountains. They thrive in altitudes of up to 14,000 feet, where the air is thin and the temperatures can fluctuate drastically. From the forests to the deserts, from sea level to the high mountains, hummingbirds have found ways to survive and thrive. They've adapted to their environments in the most remarkable ways, whether it's developing a tolerance for cold, learning to nest amidst thorny cacti, or mastering the art of high-altitude flight. As we can see, hummingbirds are truly masters of adaptation. Hummingbirds are not just about beauty and speed. They have some incredible facts associated with them. Let's delve deeper into the astonishing world of these tiny dynamos. First off, hummingbirds possess the highest metabolism of any homeothermic animal. To put that into perspective, if we humans had the metabolism of a hummingbird, we'd have to consume an equivalent of around 355 hamburgers a day. Imagine that! This leads us to their diet. Hummingbirds feed on nectar, a sweet liquid inside certain flowers. However, nectar does not provide all the nutrients they need. They also snack on insects and spiders for protein and fat. In fact, they can eat up to twice their body weight in a single day. Next, let's talk about their heart rate. A resting hummingbird's heart beats about 500 times per minute. In flight, it can skyrocket to more than 1,200 beats per minute. That's more than 20 beats per second. On to their migration patterns. Some hummingbird species undertake impressive migrations. For instance, the ruby-throated hummingbird flies non-stop over the Gulf of Mexico during both its spring and fall migration. This is a distance of 500 miles, which takes 20 hours of non-stop flying at an average speed of 25 miles an hour. And let's not forget about their unique flight abilities. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. They can also hover in mid-air, fly sideways, and even upside down. Their wings beat at an amazing rate of 50 to 200 flaps per second, creating the humming sound that gives them their name. These facts demonstrate just how remarkable these tiny creatures are. They may be small in size, but they are colossal in their capabilities and fascinating adaptability. From their extreme eating habits to their awe-inspiring migrations, hummingbirds are truly marvels of nature. With such incredible creatures sharing our world, the question arises, what can we do to help protect their habitats? Hummingbirds, those delicate, vibrant jewels of the avian world, face several threats that jeopardize their existence. One of the most pressing challenges is climate change. As temperature patterns shift, so do the flowering times of the plants hummingbirds depend on for food. Some hummingbirds may arrive at their breeding grounds to find that their primary food sources have already bloomed and faded, leaving them without the necessary fuel to breed and survive. Another significant threat is habitat destruction. As forests are cleared for agriculture and urban development, these tiny birds lose their homes and feeding grounds. The loss of these environments can lead to a decrease in the hummingbird population and in some cases can push certain species to the brink of extinction. Now, it might seem like these are big issues beyond our individual control. However, there are actions that each one of us can take to make a difference. One of the simplest ways to help hummingbirds is by creating a friendly environment in our own backyards. Planting native flowering plants can provide a food source for these birds and create a safe haven for them to nest and breed. Additionally, reducing the use of pesticides in our gardens can have a significant impact. Pesticides not only kill the insects that hummingbirds feed on, but can also contaminate the nectar they drink, leading to illness and death. Installing a hummingbird feeder filled with a mixture of sugar and water can also provide an additional food source, especially during times when flowers may not be in bloom. Just ensure to clean the feeder regularly to prevent the growth of harmful mold. By taking small steps, we can all contribute to the preservation of these extraordinary birds and their habitats. Remember, every garden, every feeder, every pesticide-free plant helps. Let's do our part to ensure the survival of these remarkable creatures, so future generations can marvel at their beauty and wonder as we do today. Our exploration of hummingbirds and their diverse habitats draws to a close, but the wonder these tiny creatures inspire is endless. Throughout our journey, we've encountered a myriad of species, each with its distinct charm and characteristics. From the ruby-throated hummingbird of North America to the stunning Andean hill star of South America, the world of hummingbirds is rich and diverse. We've also delved into the unique habitats these birds call home, spanning verdant rainforests, sun-drenched deserts, and high-altitude mountain ranges. These environments are not just picturesque landscapes, but vital ecosystems that sustain our feathered friends. The importance of preserving these habitats cannot be overstated. After all, these are the places where the hummingbird's magic unfolds, the stages for their aerial acrobatics, and the canvas for their vibrant displays. As we continue to marvel at these incredible creatures, let's remember the role we play in ensuring their survival. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of hummingbirds. Before we wrap up our journey, we'd like to take a moment to thank you for your support. Your interest in our content fuels our passion to delve deeper into the incredible natural world. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of hummingbirds, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Did you learn something new? Maybe you have your own hummingbird story to share? Don't forget to like our video if you found it informative and inspiring. Your likes not only show your support, but they also help us reach a wider audience, spreading the message of conservation and appreciation for nature's wonders. And if you're not already a part of our community, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll get access to our regular updates, ensuring you never miss out on our latest explorations. Remember, each one of us can make a difference. Together, we can further our understanding of the natural world, and in doing so, help safeguard it for future generations. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us.